So this next little short tutorial is about showing the feature called Schematic Render, which is up here on the 3D window and the toggle bar. And the moment I click this, I get a render, a drawing of that follows my garment. So it's got the shading, and you can play with the silhouette line if you want it thicker, thinner, play with the seam line, internal, so you get the way you find it communicates the easiest. What are the lines from the outline, for the stitches, for the seam line, and so on. You can change the color of the line if you want to, and you can work on brightness, and also here work on color or texture. So this is a very easy way to make what resembles, a little bit resembles a technical drawing. But of course, if we do work with a virtual prototype program like Clo3D, then once we do that, we already have the pattern. So it's also, is it necessary to have this kind of drawing? But of course, if you just want to work on it in the program in a creative way and you are not really skilled in pattern construction, you can make a drawing like this, or make the schematic render along with the pattern you have made, and then have somebody else to go over it, so you don't have any imbalances or ill-fitting clothes like that. So you have a professional to go over it. So this is and when the students saw this schematic render, they were like, why are we being taught how to do technical drawings in Illustrator, knowing that they find it the least creative part of making design and making it ready for production. But for now, as things are changing and the wheels of the fashion industry moves a bit slower when it comes to implementing digital tools, still going to teach the students how to make technical drawings. So this was it, schematic render, and that was off.